Alright everybody, so today we are back in with another video on a product that I haven't covered in quite some time. So this is a video on some wristbands for the Mi Band 4. And you guys and girls might be wondering, why did I pick up extra wristbands for the Mi Band 4? Well, this is something that I was planning on doing ever since I picked up the product, but I kind of wanted to see how long the stock wristband lasts on the Mi Band 4, and sadly it broke just a couple days ago. But you can see the main band is still intact. If you get a close-up here, the key part that broke is the actual clasp. If you look at this, yeah, this came off completely. So this doesn't actually stay on when I clip it on my wrist. Alright? So at that point, I'm thinking, well, it's time to get new straps. So, jumped on Amazon and I ordered a couple straps here. So we got one nice, elegant 3-link strap. And then we got a few multicolored straps, you know. Figured I might as well just grab all the colors in case there's a particular day where we want to match up with my outfits. You know how we do. Ladies, you know how you like to do as well. So it is what it is. So let's unbox these bad boys. And let me give y'all a close-up of them. And then we're going to swap out the stock strap for one of these straps. And I'm going to let y'all know what my first impressions of the straps are as we go through. Now, being as I don't want to butcher these names, I'm just going to showcase the company names to y'all up front, just like so. And I'll leave the links to everything y'all need, including purchasing links, down below in the video description. So let's get right into it. Starting off, I have to say the packaging on both of these is really, really nice. And you can see all the colors up front. Now, it didn't look like this originally, but y'all know I always unbox everything, make sure everything's in there, and then I box it back up. And I couldn't quite box this back up in the original presentation, so it is what it is. I tried my best. Alright, but here's the first pack of straps. The company branding right there. A little bit of a company slogan right here. Barcode information. Company website right down there. Alright. Got some more information on the back here. Feel free to pause and read this up if you would like. Again, I'll have all the necessary links down below in the video description. And this was an Amazon pickup. Full total for all of the straps y'all see in this video, it was just over $23. I believe it was $23 and change, if I'm not mistaken. So, not bad. For the variety of straps that I got, that's really a good price. And you can see we got some decent warranty on this. Not bad at all. Alright, so this is one. Let's crack this now. Take a look at all the colors. Alright, put this bag over here. So let me pan all the colors through. So starting off, got a nice white strap here. And I kind of like this white strap because y'all know I got some white and black sneakers. This goes really nicely with the sneakers. Nice, nice. And it's exactly like the stock strap. So here's your clasp. Here's your hook. All your buttons or holes. Nice white strap. Now, the thing about white is this will get dirty quickly. So if you wear this often. So that was number one. Next we got yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what it is. Again, similar. Not big on the black and yellow, but it is what it is. Alright. Brush that over here as well. Up next, we got the colors for the ladies. Or the males, if y'all like that sort of thing. No hate, my dudes. If you like your purple and your pink, you go ahead and you rock out. Ladies, if you like your purple and your pink, this is for you. So nice purple strap. Alright. Got pink. And this is that bright pink paint. Okay. Then we got like a, what is this, like a rose gold, light bronze, light brown type deal going on here. Nice. Then we got a tail, like a teal green, dark green. And the thing that I like about these, if they're up to the same silicone quality as the stock strap lasted me a really long time. I think it was like 4 months. However long the unboxing video has been out, that's how long the stock strap lasted me. Now we're getting into my favorite colors here, aside from the white. So we got a nice black. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to rest this over here. Might throw that black on off camera. Then, we got a nice gray. Alright. Y'all already saw the white. Then, we got a nice navy blue. I like it. I like it. Then, we got a nice red here. And it's not like a light red, it's a deep red. I like this red. I like it. So, I got all of my favorite colors here. And probably a few colors that I probably won't use. So just in case y'all didn't know, I think I said this before, but these are my favorite colors. White, red, blue, gray, black. Those are my favorite colors. I'm even happy with a light blue or like a ocean blue. I'm happy with it. Big fan. Big fan. But those are all the colors, and that's the first band there. Put my favorite colors off to the side. Let's check out the last band, which is more of a decorative band. Alright. Now, this one was interesting because it came in a variety of different configurations. So you had your V-Link, you had your one band, you had your 3 links, and you know, I was kind of confused as to which one I wanted to try. Thought I got all the tape off of here. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back. We're not trying to do any struggling on camera. Let me take all the rest of this tape off, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry, y'all. How come every time you think you got all the tape, there's always that one random piece of tape that's magically holding everything together? So here's our decorative strap here. And it does come in a variety of different colors. I went with the black. I'm a big fan of black, as y'all know. So, really nice packaging. A little beat up packaging, but it is what it is. Okay, here's the company that makes it right there. Again, all links will be in the video description. A little bit of barcode information on the back. Okay, and let's crack the lid on this. Okay, some instructions as to how you would put it together. Check this out. So, pretty straightforward. You just want to be careful that you don't mess up the links. But, pretty straightforward. Find the rubber ring, put it into your band, put case on, then attach, and you're good. Flipping it over here, adjusting the links. Okay. Alright. Alright, so nice, straightforward instructions. Then we got a screwdriver for adjusting the links. Nice quality screwdriver here. Then we got the rubber rings that's going to go around your band before you put it on. And then here is the band itself. Inside of more tape. Why am I not surprised? Come on, get out of here, boss. Every time I feel like I get all the tape. Alright, that's it. And it's actually wrapped in plastic. So, yeah. Let me pause. Let's take this plastic off so y'all can get a better look, and I'll be back. Oh, God. Oh, I love it when Cuz comes to visit. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. After about 10 minutes of plastic struggles, here is what the band looks like. A really nice metal 3 links band and the screwdriver so you can remove the necessary links if you would like. So here's what that looks like. Nice black, painted black metal band with your traditional watch clasp here. So if you want to open it, you pinch this and you lift it and it opens up, slide your wrist in. Traditional watch style here. And I gotta say, this looks really, really good. Okay? So that pretty much goes over all the bands that I picked up here. Again, all the links for these will be down in the video description. And if you were wondering, how do I take this off if I want to switch out bands? Which is something we have to do now because this is officially broken. And this is one of the reasons why I went and got a different charger. If y'all didn't notice, I got a charger that you don't have to remove this. But if you wanted to remove this, let me show you how real quickly. So let's rest that to the side. So all you want to do is you want to pull up real fast and then you want to push this out. Just like that, and it comes out. Right? And you do the same thing on the other side, it pops out. Now, with the charger that comes with this, you're supposed to pop it out every time you want to charge it. You put it into the charging cradle, you plug it in, it charges. Well, your boy is Mr. Super Clumsy. So y'all know what happened the first couple of times that I tried to charge this. I went to pop it out and it flew across the room. It flew across the room about 3 times. And if you look real close, there's actually 3 very precise scratches on it from those times. I'll add to that how clumsy I am. This bad boy is scratched up all over the place. Now, the thing is, while in use, you don't really see the scratches, but I couldn't keep having that happen, so I went and got one of the traditional chargers that I feel this should have came with. And when we do the full review on the Mi Band 4, I'm going to show y'all that charger, and I'm going to explain to y'all why I think it's something that you definitely need to pick up, especially for this. But that charger does have one downside. It is a little short. So I'm going to actually link the longer charger, the 1-foot charger, down below, because you know a little longer cable is always a must. But that's how you would remove the Mi Band 4 primary piece out of the primary stock band. And then if you wanted to put on a different band, you just slide it in, okay? Right down there, you slide it in. You make sure you're mindful of the orientation that it goes in, okay? And you slide it in. Now, if you're putting it in this band right here, that's what the rubber pieces are for. So you put this rubber piece around it, and then you would slide it in here. Now, in all honesty, I probably will only wear this when I'm going somewhere fancy. If I want to be fancy, I'll only wear this. But I'm going to tell y'all right now, I'll be rocking my favorite color bands regularly. So I will be rocking these regularly, bro. So, you know, I'll be rocking all of my favorite colors, and you might see my favorite colors showcased in a few videos here and there. But for today, I think, yeah, we're going to rock the white, yo. We're going to put the white in. So let me show y'all how this goes on. So again, we're mindful of how we take it off. And all we need to do here is take it, line it up. We want to put it in there, stretch it around, and then make sure it fits on real good. So you would do like this. Let me do this off camera so it doesn't go flying. Well, I can do it on camera. So pull it, stretches around, and you see it clicks into place. Just like that. And now it's on. And that's all there is to it. Now, I think I did it backwards because... Oh, no, it's right. Because then you would loop it through and put it on and find the hole that you want. and it still works like that. So that's how you would swap out the bands on your Mi Band 4 if you wanted to know how. Yeah, and I think we'll rock the white today. Yeah. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. I do apologize if this video was a little long, but I just wanted to showcase everything that I picked up for the Mi Band 4 here. And as I said, as I continue to say, because I don't want y'all to forget, all the links on everything y'all need to know will be linked up down below in the video description. So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Now, I'm sorry that my review for the Mi Band 4 is taking so long, but I wanted to really put it through its paces. This way, when I come back, I can really give y'all an extensive opinion-based review and let y'all know whether or not if it's really worth picking up. But I'm almost done reviewing this. I got a few more charging tests to go, and that's kind of what makes the review process so long for this, because the battery life on this is really, really good. Now, spoiler, it's not as advertised, but it's pretty close. So the full review on the Mi Band 4 should be out soon. Alright, that pretty much does it for this video, y'all. So, recording this video here today, we are using the rear-facing primary 16 megapixel camera on the new mobile G5. This video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with external audio hooked up. We are using one of my mini shotgun microphones here today. I do believe this is the CM600 microphone recording all this audio. And let me know how the overall video quality looks, and let me know how the overall audio quality is down below. What do y'all think of the cameras on the new mobile G5? Alright, and I am using a third-party camera app because I couldn't figure out how you get the external audio to work with the stock camera app, so I am using it in a third-party camera application. We're using the 4K Camera Pro. This way I can use external audio, alright? And I can also use Bluetooth audio with this camera app as well. So let me know, alright? All your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. And we are out of here. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch y'all in my next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.